Hello and welcome to my channel, BeardyVlogger. My name is Mick, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Last Looks Grooming. I purchased these products when they had their Black Friday deal. I've heard a lot of great things about this company, so I'm super excited to just get right into it. So we're gonna open my trusty knife. For anyone that's been wondering, this is a CRKT Drifter. It's actually a super sharp knife, so it's really good to like unbox stuff with. I'll put a link in the description in case you guys want to get one for yourself. I don't think it's that expensive. It's like 15 bucks or something. But like, yeah, you could poke right through this, no problem. Just gonna go ahead and close that before I hurt myself. So let's see what we have here. I've got the Family 2-ounce premium beard butter. And that is what their logo looks like. So this one is, I guess, the Godfather or the Family. I don't know what it's actually called. Maybe this is the Family is like a lineup of their scents, and the Godfather is a specific scent. I know that all of these scents are kind of movie film inspired. So this one is inspired, of course, by the Godfather. If you haven't seen it, you've been living under a rock. You definitely need to watch that series of movies. The Godfather scent profile is cigar, bourbon, and oranges. That's actually very interesting, tossing in the oranges with that blend. So I'm just gonna open it up here and see what we've got. Got a little safety lid there, or whatever you want to call it. And pull that off. Let's see how easy it is to get out of the tin. So that's like pretty much with no pressure, so I can tell right away this is gonna be a very soft balm that's gonna warm up in the hands very quickly. So we'll just show you there. We'll do one quick, almost completely melted down. Now it's completely melted down. The scent of this, oh wow. Oh, I'm starting to really like these tobacco cigar type scents and things like that. This is very interesting. I'm just gonna put some in because I don't really have anything in beard yet today. Oh, there's how do I even describe this scent? It's like I'm definitely smelling the cigar. Oh, what is this? It must be that cigar and bourbon, and then there's just like I know it says that there's oranges in there, but I don't specifically smell oranges. But I think what the oranges bring is just a little bit of sweetness into this cigar and bourbon scent. Oh my god, this is amazing. I really love this scent. This is, oh, I think this is gonna even rival some of the other tobacco type scents that I've tried that I really enjoy. Maybe it's just because they're not fresh in my mind, but this is starting to, this definitely smells like it could be a favorite. Oh, I can smell this all day, and I will be for the next week. And that's actually what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna wear all these products for the next week. At some point afterwards, there will be a review that comes out where I talk about, get more into the pricing for you guys, feeling beard, and what you can expect for your beard. If you have the same type of beard as me anyway, in terms of, you know, softness and taking care of flyaways and things like that. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like an oil. And this one, I think I also went with the Family, the Godfather. The scent profile again, cigar, bourbon, oranges. And the ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, I think is what it says, and then fragrances and essential oils. Looks like we're gonna have to get out the trusty knife again because it's got this plastic stuff over top of the dropper. This is actually something that I don't like when companies do this. I get that you're trying to like protect the product, or maybe it'll store longer on a shelf or whatever, but it's just, for me, I'm always so fearful of like cutting this rubber dropper, and then I'm just just not very good with a knife, so I'm also fearful of cutting myself. But that's okay. I love this scent, so I think it's definitely gonna be worth it. Let's just shake it up a bit. Let's just check out the consistency there. Oh, okay, so this one I'm definitely, I don't know if it's because I already have the balm kind of warmed up in my hands and then I put the oil over top, but with this one I'm definitely smelling the oranges a little bit more in the oil. So it does smell a little bit sweeter than the balm did. But this is still such a great scent. Oh my gosh. I could wear this in a cologne like all day. This is really great. Yeah, so this stuff is I really love this scent. So this is 1 fluid ounce. I don't remember what the price is, but we'll get into the price when we do the actual review. In terms of the oil consistency, this one felt more like a light medium to me, but more on the side of medium. They definitely have some great carrier oils in there. Finding a lot of companies are starting to use fractionated coconut oil and hemp seed oil. These oils tend to help really soften up the beard, so I'm super excited to try this for a week and see what it does to my beard in terms of softness. There's actually a little card here with my name on it. Let's see what it says. It says, Miklos, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. Hope you enjoy. Cheers, Michael. That's awesome. I love these. And I actually keep these. There's a spot where I keep them just down over here. There's a little cubby. Got a little popcorn bag here too. It says fresh and ready to eat. So I'm gonna guess this is some kind of a popcorn scent. I don't think I'm gonna eat it. Okay, this is cool, man. Holy cow, thanks. Thanks, Michael. I love little things like this. So there's Last Looks Grooming little pin that you can wear. And then another one over here. I'm not gonna let the camera fool you. Let's put one of these on and see what they look like in terms of size. I'm just kidding. There we go. And I'm officially all last looked up. Awesome. Let's have a look at this product here. We've got the family. I am so glad that I got this Godfather scent across the board because I really truly am liking this scent. So I'm super happy to be using the same scent for the oil, the balm, and the butter. And I just realized I think I called the butter a balm earlier. So yeah, I totally meant to say butter, I guess. So this is the beard balm. We're just going to open that up. And we're going to see how easily it comes out of the tin. No weight there. Got quite a bit out there pretty easily. There you go. So on first like initial contact, just, you know, doing like a 1 rub, it does look a little bit coarse. We're gonna go in again and it's pretty much fully warmed up. So just to show you, like I like to do like a one rub and then do another one and then see how long it takes after 2 to get it to melt down. This one melts down very quickly. So yeah, this is a nice medium weight balm. This is gonna definitely be more of a softening balm, I think, than it is something that's gonna have really good hold. But we'll see. I mean, I'll put it in my mustache for a week too and see how it does. In the meantime, I totally forgot about this popcorn scent. Let's see what this is about. So this is called What the Cuss, which is inspired by Fantastic Mr. Fox. So we're just gonna go like this so you can see what the label looks like. And I'm gonna try this oil as well. Okay, I think I've got too much stuff in the palm of my hands. I'm starting to not really smell what this smells like. Honestly, I can't. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys right now. I cannot smell anything but the Godfather. So when I do the full review of these products, I'm going to try to just take a sniff of this one for you guys again and let you know if it actually smells like popcorn. I really can't tell whether or not it smells like popcorn. I'm going to guess it is a popcorn type scent, but I truly actually I can't smell it because the Godfather is just really taking over that scent. So we'll get to that at a later time. So that's everything for the Last Looks Grooming purchase that I made for Black Friday. I'll put a link in the description to where you can go to purchase from Last Looks Grooming if you're looking to purchase this Godfather scent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Hello and welcome to my channel. We're gonna turn this thing off here. I purchased these products when they had their. I purchased these products when they had their. I purchased these products when they had their. For. In terms of. They definitely have some great carry. They definitely have some great carry. They definitely have some great carry. These things tend to really help soften up the. And then I got a little popcorn bat. Then I got a little spittle. One rub.
Perfect.